My name is Haman. Today I'm going to explain how to host a simple website in AWS. First of all, I'm going to show you what is my simple website. Uh, this is just a simple website where I just enter my name, Haman, and it will display my name. That's it. I have index file and CSS file. That's it. To host a website in AWS, we need an AWS account. We need an AWS account. AWS console login. Web services. Silent. Yeah, it takes time sometimes. Yes. Today, what I'm going to do is first we are going to upload the website in S3. S3 means storage. S3 means cloud storage. S3 means cloud storage, and we basically store our index file and CSS file in this S3. From that, we are going to access this S3 file from ec2 instance. We are going to create ec2 instance too. What is this ec2 instance? ec2 instance is generally elastic computing. Which is a server, which is a backend server, where we do all the computational work for our website in this ec2. For our website, which is a simple website, there is no computational work. This is just a static website, so we can just generally host it in the S3 file only. But I want to show you how to host it in the ec2 instance, where you can do backend server, backend hosting too, computational work too. That's why I want to show it in ec2, how to host it in ec2. That's it. Okay, for this we elastic computing instance backend server, and we need to create a role which have access to ec2 instance, ec2 and s3 instance. In AWS, we need to create a role which has access to ec2 instance, s3 instance, to work with them and to access them and to update them and to write them. We need the permissions. That's why we need to create an ec2. We need to create a role for that, and we are going to access them in the command line. So we will download AWS command line and install it and configure configure that ec2 access, configure that role so that we can access ec2 and S3. That's it. Okay, coming to, after creating AWS account, we get this dashboard page, we get this home page. From there we can, first we will go to the S3, which is a storage where we will store our bucket. Here we create a bucket which is a unique name, and we have to enable this ownership so that we can access them from our command line. We have to unblock the public access so that we can access it, and that's it. Okay, choose bucket, enable it. Okay, that's it from this side. I already created a bucket. Okay, properties, if you see the properties here, permissions here, after block public access, after I unblock the public access, I need to give a policy here which is a get object from we are allowing our bucket to get to access by ec2 instance. So we are just giving the permissions. This format is, everything is came from ChatGPT. I just write the command, give me the code, that's it. Coming to access control list, what are the access control lists that we can give? I just gave the access control, everything. Okay, now I am uploading my code, add files. I just uploaded. That's it. Coming to ec2 instance, we need to launch an instance, web server, my web server, my simple website. I just want to give a name. This is my simple website. Okay, next key pair. I just want to give a key pair. Key pair is nothing but we have to access it from command line, so we just need an access key and everything. That's why we are creating a key pair. Okay, let me create a key pair. Simple website. That's it. You can see I just downloaded simple website key pair. That's it. Okay. We have to allow HTTP, HTTPS and HTTP. HTTP is used to we can access our simple website. We cannot use HTTPS because we don't have TLS or SSL certifications, which helps us to enable HTTPS. So that for this example we are using HTTP only. Just launch instance. That's it. Taking time. Okay. I installed install AWS client from AWS official website. That's it. Now I want to connect this instance. from command line. So I just copy this, paste it, and type as. That's it. We just connected from our Windows Server local machine to the Amazon EC2 instance. Okay, now we need to install sudo su. Sudo su means we need root access for this, so that no need to type again sudo and everything every time. That's why I just access the root to install to run web server. We need a server, backend server, which hosts this website. So for that we are installing http bit.d. You can see slash html. There's nothing in it. We need to copy it from our website. We need to copy our S3 buckets from here. Properties, permissions, simple website. Yeah, I just thought with okay, this is object URL. We need to get our index.html here. Okay, if you see, our index.html is here. Now I need styles.css too. If you want all of them at a time, you just upload them in a folder and access that folder. It just copies everything, or zip file, whatever you want, which is whatever comfortable you are, what is comfortable for you. That's it. Yep. If you come to your EC2 instance, it is running already. You have to copy your public IP address and paste it. That's it. Yep. That's it. Sorry. Simple website. Display name. Yep. Hosting is done. We hosted it, but if we run our EC2 instances continuously, your AWS gonna charge you, so Amazon gonna charge you, so that we have to terminate our instance and save our money. So that for that we need to delete everything. First we have to empty it, permanently delete. That's it. Exit. Oh shit, I have other one. I need to delete this one. Okay. Clean sample website. Okay, that's it. We are gonna That's it. From this we get to know how to deploy a website in ec2 instance if you have computing everything. um, I'm going to show you my IAM website where this is Hemant laptop ASL client, which has administrative access, EC2 instance access, and S3 access, everything. I just added policies here. If you add permission, create inline permissions here. You can add whatever permissions you want. If you don't add this permissions to your client and use that access key, and if you don't configure your client, your AWS client command line with the access key and everything, you cannot access them. You cannot access them and you cannot use them. That's it. Thank you.